In which temperature the density of water is maximum? Answer C. 4 degrees Celsius. Loudness of sound depends upon dash of the sound waves. Answer C. Amplitude. The reason behind decrease in the boiling point of water at higher altitudes is answer D. Low atmospheric pressure. The moment of inertia of a body does not depend upon its answer B. Angular velocity. Which method can be applied to determine purity of a metal? Answer C. Archimedes' principle. Which of the following is related to threshold frequency? Answer B. Photoelectric emission is not possible. The instrument used to study the loss of vibrating string is answer C. Sonometer. Which device is used to measure the wavelength of X-rays? Answer B. A spectrometer. The hydraulic press depends upon answer B. Pascal's principle. The Newton's first law is also referred to as answer A. Law of inertia. Which instrument is used to measure atmospheric humidity? Answer C. Hygrometer. Ocean depth can be measured by answer A. Photometer. Which device is used to measure the intensity of light? Answer B. Lux meter. Specific gravity of milk can be measured by answer C. Lactometer. A transformer works with answer B. Alternating current. The unit of Planck's constant with answer A. Js. The SI unit of electric charge is answer B. Coulomb. Which instrument is used to convert heat into electrical energy? Answer C. Thermoelectric generator. The colors of stars depend on answer B. Temperature. How stationary waves are formed? Answer D. Two waves of same frequency traveling in the opposite direction. In a filament type light bulb, most of electric power consumed appears as answer B. Infrared rays. The purpose of using diode is answer B. Purification. What is the minimum escape velocity of rocket to be launched into space? Answer C. 11 km per second. Who invented electron microscope? Answer B. Knoll and Ruska. Decibel unit is used to measure answer C. Intensity of sound. Which atmospheric layer help in radio transmission? Answer B. Ionosphere. Kilowatt hour kWh unit is used to measure answer B. Energy. Golden view of seashell is due to answer D. Polarization. The greenhouse effect is mainly due to increase in atmospheric answer C. Carbon dioxide. Which instrument is used to measure blood pressure? Answer A. Sphygmomanometer. Which device is used to convert solar energy into electricity? Answer B. Solar cell or photovoltaic cell. The field produced around a current carrying conductor is. Answer C. Magnetic field. Cause of rainbow formation is. Answer A. Refraction, reflection and dispersion. The unit used to measure the distance between stars is. Answer B. Light year. Tesla is a standard unit of which of the following? Answer A. Magnetic flux density. Which type of mirror is used in the headlights of vehicles? Answer B. Concave mirror. Heavy water is used in nuclear reactor as. Answer B. Moderator. Which metals are used in fuse wire? Answer B. An alloy of tin and lead. Which device is used to convert sound energy into electrical energy? Answer C. Microphone. The device dynamo is used to convert. Answer C. Mechanical energy into electrical energy. Ball pen functions on the principle of. Answer B. Surface tension. Because of dash, red light is used for signals. Answer C. Long wavelength. Which of the following light rays is used for eliminating bacteria? Answer C. Ultraviolet radiation. Which of the following principles is associated with optical fiber? Answer C. Total internal reflection. Which type of coal produces the greatest energy? Answer B. Anthracite. Ultraviolet radiations of the sun do not reach the earth because of the layer of. Answer A. Ozone. Which metal is used for the manufacturing of heating elements used in electric iron? Answer B. Nichrome. Which device is used to measure the speed of winds? Answer B. Anemometer.